Hello and welcome to Selena Bamford's Assignment 3.1a, Screencast on a specific ed technology or assistive technology resource that can assist in instruction for learners with disabilities in the classroom. I currently use Unique Learning System curriculum in my classroom. It's a one-of-a-kind solution designed specifically to help students with special learning needs to master their state's extended standards. Here's an example of our reading comprehension questions from our weekly story. Level 3 learners is the first selection with their items in print. Level 2 have the questions in print, and the answers also have an image response mode. And level 1 learners have the question and response in symbol supported mode. Unique Learning System encourages the use of pre-symbolic behavior to develop an active response mode. I'd like to take this one step further and explore the use of a Dynavox product for students with severe physical and cognitive disabilities. This is a PCI. It is a compact eye tracker that enables people with physical disabilities to control a computer with their eyes. The eye tracker at the base of the computer system sends out near infrared light. The light is reflected into the user's eyes. Those reflections are picked up by the tracker's cameras, and through filtering and calculation, the eye tracker shows where the student is looking or what selection is being made. Universal Design for Learning believes that educators can utilize 3 different types of strategies present information in multiple formats and media, to provide multiple pathways for students' action and expression, and to provide multiple ways to engage students' interest and motivation. UDL ensures that all learners can access and participate in meaningful, challenging learning opportunities. Although I do not yet have personal experience with eye gaze devices, this short video shows one in action. You can see on the base of the computer where the infrared light is projected to the user's eyes, and those reflections are picked up by the camera's trackers, indicating his responses. Within Unique Learning System, that same type of device can help us indicate our response to our questions as shown here. Learners who benefit from cognitive learning supports do require maximum support with instructional tasks. For those students, increasing level of participation and demonstrating an active participation response is the main objective. The UDL principles of engagement, representation, action, and expression, I believe, are all hit with this device and curriculum. UDL means to be flexible and accommodate all kinds of users with and without disabilities. If you design for those in the margin, their education will reach learners all at once.